Jah Prayzah, Baba Harare, Enzo Ishall, Feli Nandi, Holy Ten, Gemma Griffins, and many more are dropping albums in 2025. We have got the full list and release dates. So if you are really a Zim music fan, stick around.
Tune in now, it's time to vibe. The music 263 brings you live. We got the news that you need. Entertainment at lightning speed. Hey, hey, connect today. Subscribe and never stray. Join the world of music now. Feel the beat, we're showing how.
Welcome back to the Music 263, your number one source for the latest music news, album drops, and everything that is happening in the music scene. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. So let's get into it. Baba Harare is taking a gospel turn with Revived and Restored. And as you all know, that Baba Harare is no longer Baba Harare King David. He'll be dropping his second album. Yeah, it's actually his second album that is dropping Muswat 28 February. So this one is going to be special because I think Kutitando Wavy was featured on the album because we saw some pictures. I told you something is cooking. And we move on to Feli Nandi, who is blessing us with Ndisiye. That's the name of the album. Muswat 29 March. And I think it's just going to be an Afro-fusion, album, so just mark your calendars for that.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Then we move on to Bling 4, who is coming through on the 12th of April with an album on the Hosanna. It's obvious, I feel like it's gospel inspired or maybe just a street anthem. We'll find out soon. And we move on to Seh Calaz, who is bringing Dance of Fire with Noah, 19 April. So Zimdancehall will be massive, 19 April, Jamba. And then Jah Prayzah, is he releasing album 2 again, or maybe I should release RE3, or maybe I should release RE4 this time? We don't know. I know that a lot of people are waiting for this album, which will be dropping Muswat 3 May. Ndini Mukudzeyi. So it's more like he's telling people he's basically going to give us the real him. There's no, I think on this album, he's not going to include international artists. And still on that, I think Enzo Ishall is featured on this album, Ndini Mukudzeyi. I think he's also featured Pabho and Gemma as well. So I'll be dropping a snippet of a song that sounds like Jah Prayzah, the Vesra Jah Prayzah. On to Enzo Ishall, who will be dropping his album on 31 May. This one manja anakutaura kuti album rake nengerichindi. So he's keeping the title a secret for now.
Gemma, who is going to release an album Muna May. She didn't specify the exact date, but we just know that she's going to release it in May 2025. So I'm so excited, for all these albums. And Holy Ten and Voltz JT are currently working, on some new music. So we are also waiting for them to give us full announcement kuti albums are going to drop when. Because for Holy Ten, he promised us could get ready because he's actually cooking something special. Same now, Voltz JT is looking for beats. So if you are a beat maker, you can actually contact Voltz JT because he's currently working on his new album.
Which album are you most excited for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the game with the Zim Music News, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and smash that like button. Zim Music 263 will bring you the best before anyone else.